Here we are in section 2.2, exercises part C with the solutions to numbers 22 through 30. The instructions are to simplify, so we're going to combine like things together, and here we have 9y minus 11y on number 22, and they are both y's, so they are already like terms. We can put them together. 9 minus 11, we get negative 2y. Let's check our answer. Good, we got it. Number 23, 10a minus 2b plus 4a minus 9b. We underline those things that are similar so we can put them together. 10a plus a 4a, that is 14 of those a's. Minus 2b and a minus 9b, a negative 2 and a negative 9 are negative 11, negative 11b. Let's double check our answer. 14a minus 11b, correct. Number 24, 8r minus 7t plus 8t plus 6r. Ooh, with these parentheses, we can't put the r together with the t. So yes, let's get rid of those parentheses by distributing the 8's in. And we now have 8r minus 8 times 7 is 56t plus 8t plus 48r. Now, what things do we have that are alike? We have the r's right here that can go together. So 8r and 48r, that is 56r. And then we have a negative 56t and a plus 8t. That's negative 48t. 56r minus 48t. Let's check our answer. 56r minus 48t. Now we should note that if you wrote down negative 48t first and then a plus 56r, that would be perfectly fine. Number 25. 2x minus 5 plus 7. These are in parentheses, but they cannot combine because they are not like terms. This one's a number, that one's a letter. So we've got to distribute. And we then have 2x minus 10 plus 7. The x there, we only have one set of x's, so that they are by themselves, but the negative 10 and the plus 7 can combine, and so we get 2x minus 3. Let's check. And yes, 2x minus 3. We also note that it could be written negative 3 plus 2x. Number 26, 8m plus 4 parentheses m plus 15t. We go ahead and jump the 4 in because the m and the 15t cannot combine, so we've got to distribute. So we have 8m plus 4m plus 60t. And it looks like the 8m and the 4m, they're like terms. They're both m, so we can have 12m plus 60t. Or we could write the 60t plus the 12m. Let's double check. 12m plus 60t. Number 27. 9 minus 5 times, parentheses 6 minus 9p plus 4p. The 6 and the 9p cannot go together because this is a number, and that has a variable on it. So we jump this in. Good. Now as we jump it in, this is a negative 5 that jumps in. So this is 9 minus 30 plus 45p plus 4p. Good. Now we can put the numbers together here. 9 minus 30, that's a negative 21. 45p and 4p, that's plus 49p. So we could write it like that, or write a 49p, it's positive, and a negative 21, as long as we keep those signs together. The trick was to make sure and keep that negative with that 5. Let's double check our answer. 49p minus 21. Or negative 21 plus 49p. Good. Number 28. There are no parentheses here, so we have no parentheses to worry about, but we do have the x squareds that we can put together. So that's 17x squared. And then we have negative 34x cubed plus 10x cubed gives us a negative 24x cubed. So the x squareds and the x cubes are not exactly the same, so we cannot combine them together into these like terms. Let's see if the answer matches what we have. Oh, they wrote it the other way with a negative 24x cubed plus 17x squared. Perfectly correct. So switching the two terms around is the same thing. Number 29. Let's see if we can find all the x to the fourths. We have 12 of them minus 4 of them gives us 8 of those x to the fourths. And then a negative 5x and a plus 13x. Those two go together and give us plus 8x. Let's draw little arrows so you can see that those two went together there. 8x to the fourth plus 8x. Let's check our answer. Yes, indeed it's correct. And number 30. 3xy minus 7x times parentheses 5y minus 4m. We've got to take this and jump it in here because the 5y and the 4m can't combine in the parentheses, so we would be stuck in simplifying. So 3xy minus 35xy, and then a negative 7 times a negative 4 is a positive 28xm. Oh, there we go. Now, what can we put together? This is an xy, and that's an xy. 3 of them minus 35 of them is negative 32xy plus 28xm. Let's check our answer to make sure that last one is correct. Negative 32xy plus 28xm. And yes, indeed, that's correct.